Hi, my name is Larry Matz. I had the LASIK surgery done by Dr. Motwani about 10 years ago. I wasn't really planning on getting the surgery. My wife's daughter got the surgery done around Christmas time, and she was getting it done, and I was having issues with my reading and distance. I've never really worn glasses and that sort of stuff, so my wife got it for me for a Christmas present to get my both eyes done. So we had them done. They did both eye, one's reading eye and distance eye. Recently, probably within the last several months, I've been having issues with my reading eye and been wearing reading glasses. And then I reached out to see if there was anything I could do, and Dr. Motwani was able to redo my reading eye. I reevaluated it, and my distance eye was still good. Reading eye was redone, and so now I've got my reading and distance. They're both doing well, and we really appreciate the work that Dr. Motwani and his staff has done there. I'm really happy with the results and everything. So I just want to thank you, all of you.